this video is going to continue talking about increasing, decreasing, or constant functions. But this time we're going to talk about intervals. So when we're talking about intervals, we're always talking about a range of x values, or a span of x values if the word range gets you confused with the y range, okay? So a span of x values. So first, let's determine where the function is increasing. Okay, I'm going to highlight where the function is increasing. Remember, we always go from left to right. From left to right, there's decreasing. Left to right, decreasing. Left to right. Okay, here's a spot where we're increasing, right? But we don't know what's actually happening at these endpoints. Actually, there's a change at those endpoints. So when we're considering our interval, okay, we have to consider that at the endpoints, we don't know what's happening. So from negative infinity, it's never increasing until we get to 1 on the x-axis, right? So from 1 until 2, our graph is increasing. And we don't include 2 or 1. We use soft parentheses to not include 2 or 1 or 2 because we don't, at those endpoints, it's not actually increasing right exactly there. It's actually changing. Okay, now let's look at decreasing. This one is decreasing in a lot of places, right? Go from left to right. All right, x value right at 4. It starts to decrease. Again, we're not going to use brackets. From negative 4. From 4 until negative 2, it decreases. And you might think, but hey, it's also decreasing from 2 until 1, right? But we don't include that negative 2. Because there's a jump here, at negative 2, we're not actually sure what's happening. So from negative 2 to 1, we are also increasing. And we're going to union these all together. So here's decreasing, here's decreasing, and we have one more spot where we're decreasing, and that's from 1, 2, 3 until 5. All right? Again, never include those endpoints. And then where are we constant? That's a horizontal line. We're constant from our x value of 2 until 3. This is not the point 2, 3, right? It's not a point. We're talking about a span of x values. And we're constant between 2 and 3. So that is how you do increasing, decreasing, or constant with determining intervals.